Welcome to the HT32 MCU Tools tutorial course outline. The HT32 MCU Tools tutorial courses are divided into 5 videos, which are how to emulate HT32 MCU, how to program HT32 MCU, and 3 common programming methods, that is, in-circuit programming, in-system programming, and in application programming. How to emulate HT32 MCU. The eLink32 Pro is a new generation debug adapter developed by Holtec for 32-bit MCUs. It provides a simple, fast, and complete development tool that allows developers to program and debug their programs on the development board. By using together with Keil MDK ARM IR Embedded Workbench for ARM or Sega Embedded Studio, the eLink32 Pro provides powerful support to help developers implement efficient development and debugging. This course will introduce the hardware, eLink32 Pro, Keil installation and considerations, how to add a Holtec MCU to Keil and IR, eLink32 Pro connection and HT32 code config. How to program HT32 MCU. The HOPE 3200 is a programming software developed by Holtec for the HT32 series of flash MCUs, which should be used together with the eWriter32. This course will introduce the eWriter32, HOPE 3200, and examples. In-circuit programming. ICP stands for in-circuit programming, which means that the chip is already been soldered to the target board and allows firmware updates without the need to unmount the chip from the circuit. It usually works with the debug interface and does not require any pre-programmed firmware. This course will introduce the ICP connection, hardware, SWD connection, and software used during the ICP operation. In-system programming. In-system programming uses the factory preloaded ISP bootloader to update the main flash firmware via a USB or UART interface. It usually requires the boot pin power-on setting to configure the chip to enter the ISP mode. This course will introduce ISP, including the hardware setup, interface, protocol, and both the PC GUI and command line tools for ISP operations. In application programming. In application programming, IAP uses a dedicated bootloader located in the microcontroller's main flash memory to perform firmware upgrades during the device's operational phase. For example, the IAP feature can be used to upgrade firmware over the air (OTA) to fix firmware bugs or enhance the user experience, even after the product has been sold and delivered to the end user. This course will introduce IAP, including the architecture, upgrade flow, interface, protocol, resource, and end with an IAP HID usage example. For detailed tutorial information, consult the Holtec official website. Holtec has a professional service team to assist with development, design, and after-sales service. Please feel free to contact our business departments for more detailed product information and consultation services.